So here we have it. I'm staying in the cabin now. This is as far as I've got so far. The parts turned up a couple of days ago, but here we now have another problem. Now we're able to get on with what they done. Oh, where did they come from?
In the pile. So they give you a mixture of everything.
Okay, so this is my carpenter, Adam, right, who is doing my floor for me. And so the problem is now is that we've got a mixture of flooring. So can you see the wood does not fit? So
That's the right one.
which one? So how many of these pieces do we have?
They're all the ones there so far.
So 1, 2, 3, 4.
It's just all mixed.
Yeah. Yeah, that doesn't fit, as you can see.
They're the right ones.
Yeah, so these ones here are the right ones.
Yeah.
Right, and we've got all this flooring to do. When did that part come? How many days ago did it come?
Beginning of the week, wasn't it?
So was it, what's today's Wednesday? Today's Wednesday. So Monday, we received the part that was missing, and we were able to continue and get this place watertight. So that's what's done so far. But I've got now to send them the video to explain what's happened. So we've got to go out now and buy some wood to finish this gap here. But it's been one problem after another. And what was this you said was leftovers?
Storm braces.
What is it called?
Storm brace.
Storm
brace.
Storm brace, which has got nothing to do with anything with this bill. So we've got a lot of stuff left over that I don't need. Now, would I use this company again? Hell no. You've seen the other log cabins that we've had built, and they were much better. What Adam has done here to make things work is brilliant, but it's a lot of bodge up. Even the foundation, even these joists, they're so thin, there's vibration. This is ridiculous, absolutely ridiculous. But at least, it is what now? Is it 2 weeks working on this now?
Yeah, on and off. Yeah.
2 weeks working on this on and off. Something that could be put up in a matter of days. It's taken such a long time. And when I phone these people, there's no response. They cannot deal with me. But I just hope they've had their recording on and taping what I have to say. I've got a housewarming coming up in 3 weeks' time, and I've got to get this garden ready and the house. And that has been a headache. I hate it.